In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Google Chrome's hidden reader mode setting so you can turn a cluttered web page into a clean, distraction-free reading view in just a few clicks. This is a super useful trick if you want to focus on the article, reduce visual noise, and make long pages much easier to read. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips and browser tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how you usually launch your browser. Once Chrome is open, go to the website that you want to use reading mode on. This can be a news article, a blog post, a tutorial page, or any web page with lots of text that you want to simplify. After the page loads, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. This is the main menu where Chrome keeps a lot of its settings and extra tools. When the menu opens, slowly scroll down until you see More Tools. Hover over More Tools and a side menu will appear with additional options. In that side menu, click Reading Mode. Once you select it, Chrome will switch the page into a cleaner layout that removes a lot of unnecessary distractions and makes the text easier to focus on. Depending on the page, the reading mode view may open in a side panel or as a simplified reading layout, but either way, the goal is the same, to make the content easier to read. If you do not see reading mode right away, make sure you are on a page with readable article content, since some pages or websites may not support it the same way. Also, keep in mind that Chrome features can change over time, so if the option looks a little different on your version, it may still be in a similar place under More Tools, and that's it. You've now learned how to access Google Chrome's hidden reader mode setting and use it to clean up any web page for easier reading. This is a great feature for research, studying, or simply reading online without distractions. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.